Hey everybody, it's Dan with Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2016 Toyota RAV4 for sale. This vehicle comes in a gray exterior with a black interior. Sunroof, blind spot assist, driver's side door controls, driver's seat controls, this nice accent stitching on the seats here, driver's seat, steering wheel. Take a look at rear seats next. And quick peek up here at the front of the vehicle. Coming around to the rear, we've got our RAV4 Toyota SE all-wheel drive badging, power opening and closing trunk. Some all-weather mats back here. Push button to close. And let's go ahead and hop in the driver's side. We have a push button ignition. And you notice that accent stitching here as well. Mileage in this vehicle currently at 154,387. And let's see here. We've got our radio. You can access your other applications such as navigation, backup camera. Below the touchscreen display is your climate controls. And then we have our shifter. If you're interested in additional information about this vehicle, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.